Hey there, data enthusiast, get ready to supercharge your analytics game. Today we are diving deep into the exciting world of Alteryx installation, your gateway to unleash the true potential of data manipulation and analysis. Whether you are a seasoned pro, data pro, or just starting your analytics journey, this step-by-step guide will have you up and running with Alteryx in no time. So, buckle up because we are about to transform your data workflow. Let's dive into the installation process and unlock a whole new dimension of data possibilities. Okay, so let's get started. So, here on your screen, on my screen, you can see Alteryx. So, you just need to type Alteryx, and these are the results which you will get. So first option you need to click on. Once you click on that option, it will load and it will redirect you to the Alteryx website. From here you can select on start free trial. From here you can select one option, that is desktop trial, and you can start a free trial. Okay, now furthermore we will start from here. Okay, so once you select the desktop trial, there is a form which will pop it up, and you need to fill your details over there. This is a free trial version for at least 30 days, so you can use this. Okay, then you need to fill. After filling and after submitting your form, there is a download option you will get, so you need to click on that. Don't worry, I'll give the link in the description so you can directly go and download the Alteryx software and do your registration. Okay, then it asks you for the download manager. Basically the steps are very simple. You just need to click on download. Once the file is downloaded, you just need to open it. It will do the basic installation, that is Alteryx Designer 2023. Then you need to click on next. After that it will go to the download manager. Okay, the downloading process will start automatically. Once it is done, it will redirect you to the next step, that is now installation of Alteryx is done. Okay, you need to cancel it. Once you do that, it will again, the process is automatic, you don't need to intervene in it. It just asks you for the next option, so you just need to click on next when it is visible. So as you can see on the screen, it is not visible yet. So after welcome Alteryx Designer 2023, it will ask me for the next option. The next option is enabled, so I will click on next option, and once I click on next option, it will ask me for a licensing or for accepting terms and conditions. Okay, so you can just click on check on I accept the license agreement. Once you click on that, the next button will be enabled, so you need to click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, it will ask you for the location, where in at what location you want to install. So I have not changed it, I have kept it default, and I have clicked on next. If you want to change the location, you can select the location over here. You can just enter that location, you can change it over from this option right here. Then you can click on next. Once you click on next, the installation process is done, and then you will need to click on install. After installation, after you click on the installation, it will simply do the installation, and this is how it takes few minutes, like 5 to 10 minutes. For me it took 10 minutes, so just be relaxed and have some patience. Okay, it will be installed on your machine, and then next option will be enabled. So after clicking on next, it will ask you run Alteryx now. You can click on finish. Okay, completed the Alteryx Designer 2023 user setup wizard. Okay, so you need to click on finish option. Once you finish it, it will again give you this type of pop-up where the run Alteryx now, or you can click on this cross. So the installation process is completed, but you don't want to launch it right now, so you can click on finish, or either you can click on close. Once you click on finish, it will again open this type of window over on your screen, where it will take some time to launch for the first time. Once it is done, it will give you some UI like this. Okay, we have already spoken about what fields are called, but don't worry, will be talking about which section is called what. So by the end of the course you will be familiar with all the sections and all the options available in Alteryx. Okay, now this is how it is done. Once you click on that, it will again open a free trial window where you need to put your activation. Okay, so if you have license key, you need to put the license key. If you're using the free version, you can just enter your email address which you have entered at the beginning. Then you click on activate. After you click on activate, it will something the UI will something look like this, where it will ask you for include Alteryx intelligence suite. Do you want to add that as well? If you want, you can click on yes include, or you can simply say I'll try later. Okay, so I have done I'll try later, and then I move to next step, and in the next step I have trial activated. Okay, I started solving, so I just opened it and it started working. Now this is a tour, a simple tour which is given to you, where you can take the things, like if you want to have a tour, you can click on start, or if you don't want the tour, if you don't want to get the details of it, you can simply click on close tour, and then the setup is done. The screen will look like this. Okay, so this is how the installation process is done, and this is how the practically screen will look like. What all things are here we have already spoken, and we will be continually talking about these tools, what are they, and what is workflow, and what is this all these things available over here. So this is the installation process. You can simply do it. If you find anything which is difficult, or if you find any challenges, you can, if you have any questions, any queries, or any doubts regarding the installation process, you can write me a comment, and we will be solving it together. If and let's see practically in the next video. For till then, subscribe us and follow us for more such videos. That's all for today. See you tomorrow.